Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel.
باك وقف يا زلمه.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. I'm out today with my friends in a very wonderful place. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. I'm out with my friends today in a very good place, wonderful place, right? Called the Mountain. We're here near a place called Spelga Dam Reservoir, and I'm out in a very wonderful and sunny day with our cars. Very good drive. Look at this place, ladies and gentlemen. Very wonderful. This place is in Newry. I mean, close enough to Newry in Northern Ireland. Looks so nice.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
This is the place we are at.
Bombastic side eye.
Look at this guy.